Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing family mail. So if you are interested in seeing what I got and who it's from, stick around. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my eyes because I was doing a video. It was actually the video that you guys, my last upload. I was doing the eyelash extension stuff. So the mascara. So please just excuse this right now. So anyway, today I'm doing family mail, and the first thing that I got was from Cassie. Cassie. Okay, there's a little note in there. It says, Jessica, hope these work out for you. Cassie. She even sent me a love note. What is up with that, Cassie? Okay, guys. Okay. What she sent me was this little bag. It's super cute. And inside this little bag is a bunch of stuff. It's a little cute boxing bag. Like super cute. So that's one of the things she sent me. And I'm just going to put these things back in as I go. She sent me the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. It is, here's the other one. It is samples of the concealer for in my kit, which is really cool. Thank you, Cassie. She also sent me a calming sheet mask, cool, and a firming mask, cool. Okay, and then she sent me two of the Too Faced glitter glue. Thank you, Cassie. Then she sent me this Twilly. Now I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Hermes Paris, whatever. It's a perfume sample. I don't know how to explain the smell. It just smells expensive. Just expensive. I'm going to take it out and sit it up here so I remember that it's there. And the next thing she sent me was a sample of the Hourglass Veil primer, which is awesome. I used this today actually, and worked out. It's nice. I like it. And then she sent me the Too Faced mattifying primer, the soft focused finish primer. Pretty cool. And then the Cover Effects Stop Shine and Blemishes mattifying primer with anti-acne treatments. Cool. And then a Small Better Than Sex mascara. Awesome. So that stuff is what was in the bag. And the one other thing that I got from her, I didn't miss anything, I don't think I did, was the Too Faced Clover palette. Yes, I wanted this thing so bad. I even had a spot saved for it for when I did get it. And like, I'm so freaking excited that I got it. How cute! Look how cute! This yellow reminds me of the yellow in the new Life's a Drag palette. Yellow. Ooh. Yeah. And you know what's really cool? I looked at this, well, I don't want to say cool, but like crazy, is like, okay, you know how in this palette, there's the one color that shifts, which is this color right here. Well, watch this. We're just gonna leave that there a minute, okay? And then just like put it back. Then we're going to go here. This is the finger I used. We're going to use the middle finger. Okay. And then we're just going to... Oh, snap. Same thing, right? Same exact color, except I swatched this one lighter. Yeah. Exact same color. Like, how crazy is that? Like, for a shifting color, you know what I mean? For it to be the exact same color as that one. Whenever I saw that, I was like, oh man. Craziness. So who's copying who, guys? But yes, I absolutely love this, and I did a look with it, and I sent a picture to Cassie. She printed it out. She has it hanging in her living room above her couch. It's a really big, like, poster size. But like, look how pretty that is. It just didn't work out for her, so she sent it to me, and I really, really, really appreciate it, Cassie. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love everything. You are like so sweet. If you guys don't know who Cassie is, definitely go check her out. I will have her linked up here in the cards. Right up here. She should have been in the cards the whole time. And I also have her linked in the description below. Again, thank you, Cassie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I know I've told you like a million times. I know I have. But again, thank you. You guys go check her out. She's freaking awesome. Okay. And the next family mail I got. Super cute. Little rainbow. This is from Shawn Ivan D. Had cute little rainbow on the back too. Has my name. And then it says, thanks bunches. Ha ha ha. And there's a little banana on the back too. It says, Jessica, thanks so much for the lovely card. Wanted to send you many thanks and a few more little gifts. And I'm not going to read the rest because it's just a little note from me. And then I'll let you know what this says. It says keep posting awesome videos. Anyway, just like super thoughtful, like super thoughtful note. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Like, this meant more to me than like anything. Really did. Thank you so much, Shawn. I was so excited to see that. Like, because usually when you get a card, it's just like a little thing here, but he like actually wrote. I mean, that's like a pretty decent card. Kind of, mine wasn't even that long to him, I don't think. But like, thank you so much. Like, I so appreciate that card. And Shawn sent me a cucumber peel-off face mask, and I've used this brand before. Nicole sent me one, but I used it totally wrong. I like literally piled this whole thing on my face. It didn't dry. You can get like 3 uses out of one of these. Anyway, then he sent me, this is a cucumber one. Then he sent me a green tea and orange blossom mask, which is freaking awesome. Then he sent me, these are awesome, these nail files. Check it out. Find your hidden treasure. How cool. And then he sent me an H&M lip liner, or lip definer, which this is really going to come in handy. And then he sent me this other H&M blush. It is like the prettiest color. Look at that color. Isn't that so pretty? It is so pretty. Thank you so much, Shawn. And he really likes these a lot. I have not tried it. He sent me another one of these. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna have to try these because he's always raving about these. They're the City Minis. They sent me 2 more of these. I'm really gonna have to check it out because some of these colors look so pretty. Like so pretty. Definitely have to check them out. It's awesome. Thank you so much, Shawn. Like, you are so super sweet. Shawn is, he's very, very, very talented. Like, beyond belief. Like, I cannot believe, like, how talented he is with, like, his, like, eyeshadow looks and stuff. I mean, he's just amazing. You guys definitely got to check him out. I'm sure I've already told you guys, like, a million times, go check Shawn out. Go check Shawn out. But if you haven't, he's also up here in the cards, and he's down here in my description. Definitely check him out. He is amazing at eyeshadows and stuff. But, again, thank you so much, Shawn. You guys, go check both of them out. Promise you, you won't regret it. And, that's all I got for today. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Make sure it's on, because YouTube keeps shutting them off. So make sure that bell's on down there, guys. And I will see you guys next time. Hey guys, sorry I needed to add this in and totally forgot, because I was trying to record like 50 videos at one time. But I also had this family mail. This is from Miss Beauty Obsession, aka Sarah. I got this in the mail, and I knew it was coming because she told me she can't keep secrets like I do. I can't. Anyways, this is the Lunar Beauty by Manny MUA. She sent me the Life's a Drag palette. She knew how bad I wanted it, and she sent it to me. She got it for me and had it sent to me. But I did a, I already did the look in that on here, on this, but there she is. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. And I love you, Sarah. So thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. If you guys do not know Sarah, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't. She's awesome. She does unboxing. She does, I know I'm going to miss some. She does Morphine, boxycharm, crap. There's a bunch of them. She does a lot of unboxings. She does a lot of awesome makeup looks. Like, unbelievable. Like, she's so talented. Definitely go check her out, guys. And thank you so much, Sarah. It means so much to me that you did that. Girl, you are freaking awesome. And I am so lucky to have you as a friend. I really am, and I really mean that. But yeah, guys, once again, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you guys next time.